when we think about business, manufacturing is very important. The last 2 days I attended the event, the Chinese trade show. It is having a lot of products. It's unimaginable to see their innovations, cost, and the polite way of explaining their product. So it's very interesting to see that. For any business, for any sector, you just visit the Chinese manufacturer first, because their product wise and the quality wise also very much good. And don't only check with Alibaba. The people here, there are many original manufacturers there. There are 28 years and 30 years old company also there. They are not listed in Alibaba also. So if you think any sector, you just visit the China for getting a lot of original manufacturing in cheap cost and quality also. And they are giving a minimum quantity of order also they are giving. So it's very important to you to think about any manufacturing, any branding, any business, any sectors. Okay, thank you.